One of the best value trucks to hit RC scale tails is this one here, what you can see behind me, the MN82, the licensed Toyota LC79 Land Cruiser. 1/12 scale, an absolute incredible value for money. In fact, the video I did with this, comparing it to an upgraded version, has had more views than any other video on my channel. I liked the truck so much, I bought the next release, which was this one, the MN82 Pro. Almost identical to the MN82, except this one had lights front and rear. It looked absolutely fantastic. A few months later, the S joined the range with a lot more scale detail, front and rear lights. Looks absolutely fantastic. They released another new truck. Time for tea. Welcome to RC Scale Tales. Another new truck has joined the fleet. It's here. It's the MN82T. It's the tow truck. We're going to open up the box and check it out. Let's waste no more time. Enjoy. So this little truck has been an amazing success for MN and has spawned a lot of variations with aftermarket parts and accessories and upgrades. So much so, the original truck spawned the Pro version, and then this one that you can see here, the S version with the extra truck bed on the back with all the opening hatches, etc. Absolutely fantastic vehicle. So they've now released this version, the T version, which is a tow truck. Comes in two colours. You can see the yellow, and the one that I've actually got inside the box is the red version. So let's open up the box and check it out. What's in the box is your standard MN controller. Not the greatest of controllers, but it does the job. It is 3 channels. There's your throttle, steering, with a nice thumb steer there, has a nice foam wheel. On the top you've got your basic controls, on, off, throttle rate, your light control. You have your steering trim. You also have channel 3 plus or minus, which I'm guessing is the control for the hook on the tow jib or the tow arm. Batteries go in the bottom, and it's 2 AA batteries. So we'll put some batteries in there later when we connect it up to the truck. You also get a nice leaflet of instructions. Same leaflet or similar leaflet to the other MN82s. Printed in both English and Chinese. You got the various different versions now, all in one leaflet, plus details on how to apply the various decals. In the bag of accessories, you get various plastic accessories to fit onto the truck, mirrors, wipers, door handles, etc. You also get some decals for the truck, we'll put them on later, some chrome bits including the Toyota badge, and you also get a snorkel to fit on the right hand side of the truck. The USB charger for your battery. But the bit we're most interested in, what's in this bag, is the actual truck. And here it is. And I have to say, it looks absolutely fantastic in that red glossy paint. It looks amazing. Has the bull bars at the front, LED lights at the front, LED lights at the rear. Suspension, it's not bad. Leaf sprung with friction springs, friction shocks at the back, just friction shocks at the front. We have a servo at the front there, you can see the red servo. For steering, not bad at all, looks really good. This looks very cool. The truck, you will see, has full interior, but does not have opening doors. But it's quite easy, I've done this in the past with other ones, is to slot your figure in there bit fiddly, but you'll get a figure in there, no problem. Might have to do a bit of customization to make it fit, of course. So just looking, we have a little winch here, a working winch. So it looks very, very cool indeed. Now to access the battery on these trucks, you open up the bonnet, and sure enough, there's the battery. It's a 1500 milliamp lithium ion battery. Really good little battery. Yeah, about half an hour run time out of these trucks. Maybe this might be a little less with the extra accessory on the back. We'll soon find out once we get it going. But nothing more to say really, it's much the same as the other two underneath. Very, very cool trucks. Now this cost about $40. So again, a lot of truck for the money, ready to run with your battery and charger. And these are really, really capable. I've actually posted in my description below the various other videos showing the other versions out on the trail, and these do extremely well. So let's spend some time, we'll get all the bits and pieces on, and we'll have a closer look. So there we go, that's the MN82T, the tow truck. I've added all the decals, I've added all the plastic accessories. I've even managed to install a little driver. And I have to say, it looks rather good. All the decals went on relatively easy, as did the plastic accessories, especially little side indicator lens and the fuel filler cap. On the previous models, these were particularly tricky, but on this one, obviously they've looked at this and improved the fitting of the various parts, and they just slotted in pretty easily. I think you'll agree the truck looks really cool, and a perfect successor to the current MN82 range. So the controller, same controller as the other ones. Two AA batteries slotted into the handle. Turn on the controller, it's on off at the top, at the bottom here, and at the top the blue light will flash on and off until the truck is turned on. On off switch is underneath. Slide it there, you get a couple of beeps and the headlights come on. The blue light at the top here stops flashing and the truck is now connected. So we'll look at steering first of all. Nice proportional steering. You can either go really fast or turn nice and slow. Notice on the front it has indicators or turn signals. Also at the rear you have turn signals. We've also got tail lights. When the car goes forward, stops, you've got brake lights, and then reverse, you have reverse lights. At the front, you just have headlights. There are two little lenses here, and you can install LEDs later should you wish. The lighting control is on the controller, and it's just one press and the lights are off. But you still have the indicators. Your throttle control button is here, which gives you 2 speeds. So if I press it this time, you'll see the lights flash and the truck should now be in slow speed. Nice proportional control. Press it again. Headlight flashes. And the truck should now be in fast speed. Nice turn speed. Even in fast speed, you have throttle control, nice proportional control. Now, on the back, we have the tow accessory, the tow jib, the hook, and the rig, the tow rig. And that's worked using the two buttons here, channel 3 plus and channel 3 negative. If I press the plus button, the tow line is released and the winch extends out of the way. And it extends out to about 50 centimeters. Press the negative button, the winch reels in the line and the hook. Now the hook itself, or the winch, is pretty strong. If I extend it out a little bit and just hold on to it there, press the negative button, has a lot of torque in that winch, so it should lift a reasonable amount of weight. A truck of a similar size, no bother at all. So there you go, that's the MN82T. Let me know what you think about this little truck. I have to say, I like it a lot. I think it's the perfect addition to the MN82 range of trucks. From the Pro to the S to the new T version, they are all fantastic, and they're all fantastic in their own little way. Personally, I like the S version, the one with the utility bed at the rear. Absolutely fantastic. But each one is perfect in its own little way, and the addition of the breakdown truck is fantastic. It works really well, it looks really, really cool. And whether you have been in the hobby for a long time or you are a beginner, the MN82 is the perfect truck for anyone's collection. These are great value for money, not a lot of money, but you are getting a ready to run truck. You're getting a battery, you're getting a charger, and they perform as good as they look. You can upgrade these trucks. There's loads of aftermarket parts. You can upgrade the motor, the tires, the drive shafts, and there's loads of options to turn this into different kinds of Toyota Land Cruisers, from campers to tippers, you name it, they've done it, and they look absolutely fantastic. So I can't recommend this truck enough. It's absolutely fantastic. But let me know what you think about the new truck. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think about the truck, the video, the channel, good or bad. I will reply, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. It really does help RC Scale Tales. That'll leave me to say we'll catch you on the next video. Keep on crawling, keep on trailing. All the best now. Bye bye.